Hi there. How's it going? I hope everything is going well for you. I know it's been ages, but what happened was my Instagram got closed down and it kind of made me demotivated. I didn't want to do anything. I think it happens to a lot of people. And I had to look at things again and, reevaluate. So I started a new page. So if you think that I blocked you or I don't want to talk to you and you can't message me, it's because they closed down my account. It's not because I have anything against you. So if you are looking for me, it's English with Shai still, and I've put a link below so you can find me and connect with me again. I think that will be wonderful, don't you? So thank you for the people who did message me on my other page and asked me what was going on. That's really nice. And thank you so much. And today we're looking at the verb do, something simple, okay? What is the infinitive? You know, many times you hear, oh, the verb to be, the infinitive of do. What is the infinitive of do? What is the verb to be? It just means the word before it changes, okay? So before it becomes doing, done, does, or anything else, the verb to be is do. The main word, okay, is do. Okay, so I do, you do, they do, we do, he does, she does, and it does. What is this? What is this magic? Okay. It's not to confuse you. It's called the subject-verb agreement, which is only used in the present tense, in the now. Okay, so when you're talking about everyday activities, that's when you can use it. Okay, she does the dishes every day. He does the dishes every day. He does the hoovering every day. He does the cleaning every day. Okay, so sometimes do is used to describe an action. Just do. He does the dishes. That means he washes the dishes. What about when it's in the past tense? Let's see if there's a pattern. I did, he did, she did, we did, they did, it did. So it could be anything. It could be an animal. It could be a bottle even. Say if this bottle is leaking and I say, oh, it's leaking. It can be anything. Okay. And then the negative. He didn't do the dishes. She didn't do the hoovering. She didn't go to school. She didn't fail her test. It didn't work for me. It can even be a relationship. It didn't work out. It. Okay? They didn't go on holiday. We didn't do the cleaning. We didn't leave it a mess. It could be either way, actually. So that's first part was the present tense, which is do and does. The second part is the past tense. Okay? Didn't, 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 did not. We can say did not do, but really, as native speakers, we say didn't, didn't. You try it. Didn't. Okay? And that's it. And the question is, did you? Did you? Did you drink my water? Did you go to school today? Did you do your homework? Did you do well in your test? Did you book that exam? Did you do the shopping? Okay, so we're looking at, we can use have you, but right now we're looking at did. So the question is, how do you say did? Did you get my watch fixed? Did you come early? Did you come late? Did you get there late? Okay, so I missed my train. Did you get to the station late? Okay, so were you late even, we can say. So that's it. The present, the past, the question form. And the reply can be, yes, I did get there late. No, I didn't. No, the train was late. I hope you found it useful. And if you did, to help the algorithm, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe if you didn't already. Thank you so much for everybody who's been supporting me, everybody who came back to the Instagram. I'm doing lives at the moment, and I'm going to post another one with John from the Doc Media Center. And so it's going to be really interesting. We're both talking about different things, language, people. So have a look at that video. It should be fun to watch. So I hope you're doing well. Please keep in touch. Love to hear from you. And I will put my email down below, and you can message me regarding tutoring, or you can message me regarding just hello, how are you, or whatever it is. Okay, so take care. Please look after yourself and your family. Eat properly, eat healthy, and all those things you need to do. And stay positive. Be around people who make you feel good. All these things. So take care. See you soon. And yes, you guessed it. Bye for now.